Are you tired of printer headaches? The slow warm-up, the constant paper jams, the frustrating connectivity issues that bring your productivity to a screeching halt. If your small business or home office relies on a printer that just can't keep up, then you're in the right place. Today, we're doing an in-depth review of what I believe is one of the best laser printers hitting the market in 2025. The new Brother DCP-L2640DW wireless compact monochrome multifunction laser printer. This isn't just a printer. It's a productivity powerhouse designed to streamline your workflow and banish those printer woes for good. Stick around because we're diving deep into why this Brother model might just be the upgrade you've been searching for. Let's kick things off by talking about its core identity. This Brother DCP-L2640DW is engineered specifically for the demands of small businesses and busy home offices. It's a true 3-in-1 device, combining a high-quality laser printer, a robust scanner, and a versatile copier, all packed into an incredibly compact footprint. This isn't just about saving space, it's about saving you money and simplifying your tech setup. Instead of buying 3 separate machines, you get one efficient unit that handles all your essential document needs. And because it's a monochrome, black and white printer, it excels at producing crisp, professional text documents quickly and cost-effectively, making it ideal for reports, invoices, contracts, and all your daily business paperwork. The print quality is consistently sharp, ensuring your business always puts its best foot forward. Time is money, especially in a small business, and the DCP-L2640DW understands that. This machine is remarkably fast, boasting impressive print speeds of up to 36 pages per minute. Imagine getting those large reports or multi-page documents out in a fraction of the time you're used to. But it's not just about printing speed. The scanning capabilities are equally efficient. You're looking at scan speeds up to 23.6 images per minute for black and white, and 7.9 for color. Fantastic for digitizing documents quickly. And here's a real game changer, the integrated 50-page auto document feeder. No more manually feeding page after page for scanning or copying multi-page contracts. Just load your stack, hit start, and let the DCP-L2640DW handle the rest. This feature alone is a massive time saver for anyone dealing with significant document volume, boosting your overall office productivity significantly. In today's connected world, flexible connectivity isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. The Brother DCP-L2640DW truly shines here, offering secure multi-device connectivity right out of the box. With built-in dual-band wireless, supporting both 4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, you get reliable, fast connections, whether you're working from a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Plus, there's an Ethernet port for wired network integration, perfect for a stable office setup, and a USB interface for direct, local connection to a single computer. But the convenience doesn't stop there. Enter the Brother Mobile Connect app. This intuitive app transforms your mobile device into a command center. You can print, scan, and manage your wireless printer anytime from almost anywhere. Need to print a document from your phone on the go? No problem. Want to check toner levels or order Brother Genuine supplies directly from your couch? The app makes it seamless. It truly enhances your on-the-go productivity and offers unmatched convenience. This printer even works with Alexa, adding another layer of smart home integration for voice commands. Let's talk about ongoing value and convenience, because that's where the Brother DCP-L2640DW continues to impress. When it's time to replace your toner, Brother makes it easy and cost-effective with their Brother Genuine TN830 or TN830XL replacement toners, ensuring optimal performance and print quality. But here's the real secret weapon for long-term savings and peace of mind: the Refresh EZ Print subscription service. Imagine never worrying about running out of toner again. With Refresh, your printer proactively orders toner when you need it, delivering it right to your door. You'll enjoy savings of up to 50% on Brother Genuine toner, and you can get started with a free trial. This subscription model takes the hassle out of toner management, allowing you to focus on your business, not your printer supplies. It's a smart, economical choice that adds significant value to this monochrome laser printer. So, after a thorough look at the Brother DCP-L2640DW, it's clear this compact multifunction laser printer is a serious contender for the title of Best All-Around Office Workhorse. Its blend of high-speed printing and scanning, robust multifunctionality, flexible connectivity, and the incredible convenience of the Brother Mobile Connect app and refresh toner subscription make it an unbeatable package for small businesses and home offices. If you're looking for reliability, efficiency, and exceptional value in a monochrome printer, copier, and scanner, this model truly delivers. This is more than just a review. It's a guide to enhancing your productivity. Ready to upgrade your office setup? You can find a direct link to purchase the Brother DCP-L2640DW and details on the refresh subscription trial right down in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more expert tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Let us know in the comments if you've used a Brother printer before or what features you're most excited about. Thanks for watching.